loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Okay, to my previous subscribers, thanks for always watching my content, and to the new ones just seeing this channel for the first time, you are welcome. So basically, in today's video I'll be showing you guys a drink to help you burn your body fat. If you want to get slimmer, you want to lose weight, I recommend cucumber for you. Cucumber is very good fruit for losing weight. Then over here I have my ginger powder and my garlic powder, then your lime orange. So first things first, I'm going to blend our cucumber. So guys, this is our cucumber. So you get your blender. You measure in a glass cup of water. So guys, this is our blended cucumber. Cucumber drink is very effective for weight loss. It is very effective. Just this cucumber alone, once taken in the morning, well, a month, you will see changes in your body. This is my ginger powder. I'll be measuring a tablespoon of it into it. Up next is my garlic powder. Same thing into it. You just want to stir it together. So guys, up next is our lime orange. You remove the seeds so that you're not going to end up swallowing seeds. Wow, this drink tastes so nice. I just tasted it now. It's so nice. And guess what, I'm so drinking this after this video. Yeah, so guys, this is basically the drink you want to be using every morning if you want to burn that stubborn fat. If you are battling with arms fat, belly fat, this is one powerful drink you should take. Okay, so make sure you share this video with your friends who want to burn belly fat too, burn face fat, burn all kind of fat, and also tell them about this channel. Like the video if the video was very helpful. Leave a comment down below if you've tried this recipe before and how it worked well for you. And if you are yet to try it, also leave a comment down below. Don't forget to share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed already, come on, what are you waiting for? Join the family now, subscribe now, and you won't regret subscribing. Okay, I make videos weekly, 4 times a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Sundays. You don't want to miss out on my videos. Okay, make sure you subscribe now, and thanks for subscribing because I know you just did, and I love you guys. So see you in my next video.